So I got a little hummingbird nesting here. If I can get a little close up. There she is, right there nesting. I don't want to bother her. She has two little, tiny little eggs, and we're gonna make her life a little easier. We got the hummingbird food. You guys can see that we got a couple 12 ounces, and there's instructions in there in the back. It tells you for 12 ounces, you put 4 teaspoons, and we're gonna do that and set it up on one feeder, and then we're gonna set up the other one later. But right now, we're just gonna set up, concentrate on one. We got the tablespoon here, measurement, and then we got the 12 ounces of water here, ready to go. We're gonna fill one up and feed some hummingbirds. Here we are mixing it up. Make sure you keep mixing it until you don't see the sugar no more or any of the substance that needs to be in there. This is good. It's red. It's attracting for the hummingbirds. Just keep spinning it until it dissolves completely. And you can test it out by seeing the substance, as you can see. So 4 tablespoons for 12 ounces. That's what we did. Continue spinning it until you don't feel that the grains in the bottom of it, right? So let's go ahead and put this together. All right, this is exactly 12 ounces to fill these up, all right? So you're gonna need a 12 ounce water with the substance mixture. This will give you enough feed for many days, I hope. Depends on how many hummingbirds you have in your neighborhood. So right now, I'm actually right out the window looking out for the hummingbirds. I have one nesting right here next to my window.